RIMA Network, Robotics for Inspection and Maintenance, has put all its efforts in becoming an actor of reinforcement of European leadership by bringing together 13 digital innovation hubs to join competences and expertise.
The RIMA project is about bringing together technology actors from across Europe that can help companies in the inspection and maintenance domain.
The goal is to accelerate novel solutions for different industry sectors, cross-border cooperation, and the overall adoption of robotics technologies in the field of inspection and maintenance. RIMA Network offers services through its network of digital innovation hubs, including support for testing and technology transfer, coaching and training on robotics for inspection and maintenance, process optimization, and communication.
We developed a catalog of services representing our capacity to support the industry, to develop business, to develop ecosystem.
We are allowing the access to high-level technologies and innovations even to very small companies. And these fill a real gap in the society.
RIMA has supported financially and technically 50 cross-border experiments involving European SMEs through 2 open calls, with a total amount of 8.1 million euros.
The SMEs already told us that they have created 16 new services that they have not initially planned to offer to large industries, and also they created 25 new products.
Through this combined strategy, RIMA Network has been able to achieve their goals.
I would really strongly encourage the SMEs in Europe to reach out the network, providing very good support to develop business, to develop the technologies.